How to fix NFC reader not working on iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the NFC reader not working on your iPhone. Start by ensuring your iPhone supports NFC. Models released after the iPhone 6 have NFC capabilities, but advanced features are available only on iPhone 7 and newer. Next, remove any bulky case or magnetic accessories, as these can interfere with NFC signals. Restart your iPhone to resolve any temporary glitches. If the issue persists, try scanning a different NFC tag or use another payment app to check if the problem lies with the tag or your card. Make sure you're tapping the NFC tag in the correct area. The NFC module is located in the upper rear part of the iPhone, near the camera. Hold your iPhone close to the NFC tag for better results. If you have an iPhone 7, 8, or X, you need to manually enable the NFC tag reader. Open the Settings app, go to Control Center, and add the NFC tag reader option by tapping the plus icon. Then access the Control Center by swiping down or up depending on the model and tap the NFC tag reader icon. If setting AirDrop visibility to everyone helps, open Settings, go to General, and select AirDrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes and see if NFC functionality improves. If AirDrop doesn't work, try turning off AirPlay by tapping the AirPlay icon in your Media app or Control Center and selecting iPhone. Consider downloading a third-party NFC reader app like NFC Tools from the App Store if NFC still doesn't work. Lastly, if NFC stopped working after an iOS update, check for updates by opening Settings, going to General, and tapping Software Update. If necessary, reset your network settings by going to Settings, selecting General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, tapping Reset, and choosing Reset Network Settings.